Holy shit, you guys really want to see this video. Ian, you think we can make it happen?
Gee golly, NameBran, let's do it. Can I have some better lines here?
Alright man, so I gotta be honest with y'all, we had a crazy video planned for today. This is still gonna be fun, but I am so sick. Ian came over, literally took me out of bed because it's our filming schedule. We have to film something. So we're doing this highly requested video. I just feel like it's a really good day for it. I'm so under the weather. Oh god. I literally almost puked there on the floor. The good thing is I have a dog that'll just eat it up, you know what I mean? It's like, you just never have to clean. Yeah, I don't even use a toilet anymore.
Oh god.
Yeah, it's weird actually, isn't it? As you guys know, it's my XXXTentacion collection video, which is kind of funny to me. You guys ask all the time for a collection video. I don't really consider this a collection because I don't really collect it. I just, whenever I see something that I like, I just buy it. So I guess it's kind of a collection. I don't really mean for it to be that. I just, you know, it's that I like to wear. Anyway, let's get on to this quick collection, boys. Alright, boys, so we got a bunch of clothing right here. I also do want to say they're not using X's name for views. I want to say that every video because everyone's like, yo, you're trying to get views off X. I clearly have a lot of his clothing, so I just appreciate the dude. Big fan, as you guys know. So we got some clothing here. First off, I want to take a moment of silence for X, but also I had this damn jacket that I got off his website last time. It was so dope. It's right here. I wore it out the other night and then I lost it. I forgot it somewhere, so I don't have that for the video. Just know I had it and it looked dope, right? The other night.
Yeah, that was the first time you wore it out too, wasn't it?
It was my first time wearing it out and I lost it, so I'm a little sad about that. I'm sure I can find it on eBay maybe, but if I can ever find it again, I will. But boys, getting on to it right now. First piece right here, we have the XXXTentacion, also the cat hair. Don't mind that. I have this in a separate drawer where it's not gonna get dirty, but my cat got in it last night before I did this video, so that's just awesome. But we got this X one from the Skins album right here. I think a lot of these pieces are definitely gonna go for more money than what I bought them for. I've already seen some on eBay for going for like hundreds of dollars too. Not that I'm gonna sell it, but I think it's like, I think the value's there. And I'm just giving myself some options in case I want to title it something with money. So that's the first one right here. This one's crazy, man. I just love the album cover. I think this is really dope, and his long sleeves, they fit tremendously. It's like a condom wrapped around my body. Except I don't use condoms, so I guess I don't use shirts. I can't say that. That was a joke.
That whole bit's getting edited off YouTube, isn't it?
No, probably not. That's the thing. I can't bring myself to edit today. Boys, I'm sorry for this, but I'm really trying. I have literal fever of 100. I checked this morning, so if you guys know what that is, it's bad. I'm sorry you have to be here, man.
I didn't know I was walking into a plague house here.
Yeah. Good thing is I don't have AIDS, I just have herpes. Next up, boys, we got this shirt right here. This one, it looks dope. It looks dope on the website. It looks dope in picture form, but when you put it on, it's not so sick. It's ripped up. It's like, I just look like I look weird in it. We got rips here. I dig the style. I just don't dig the aesthetics on my body. You know what I mean? If I need rips anywhere, it's got to be below my cock so I can have easy access to my nuts when I want to play with them. Good shirt. I don't wear it. I might give it away, or I might keep it for my collection. I'm not sure. Next up again, boys, we have this one. This gotta be my favorite piece I've ever had. Once again, the fit's dope. This is from his Bad album, which wasn't, or not his album, I'm so dumb. It's from the song Bad. It's from his Bad drop. The only thing about this is, the graphic is so sick on the back. It says people suck, but I don't really want to wear that. You know what I mean? Like, it's such a dope looking graphic. I just don't want to have people suck on the back of me. I look like some sort of, what would you say? I look like some sort of goth person that shops at...
Yeah, some like, sort of little goth.
Looks like I shop at Hot Topic with this one, but it's really, really dope. Got Bad right there. This one, that's definitely my favorite. It's the favorite one that I don't wear. Next up, boys, we got another skin shirt right here. I tried to give this one to you, Ian, but you didn't want it.
I don't know, it just wasn't my style.
Yeah, it's not your style. Like I say, I might give away one of these shirts here. I'm not even sure, but this one's really dope. X, once again, Skins. Not too much to show on that one. I'm just glad I got these on the drop because I'm sure they sold out pretty quickly. And next time he has a drop on his website, I'll let you guys know and you guys can cop. This one, we've had a couple of these now because we got a mystery box with one. Can't remember where we got this. Doesn't matter. One I gave away, I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, this one right here, XXXTentacion 1998 to 2018, which is so sad, bro. We were born in 94, right?
Yeah.
94. That's crazy. He was mad young.
Yeah.
So this one's not an actual, like I think they made actual ones, like real ones of this, the RIP version. This one's probably just fake. Probably somebody just made it. I don't really like to wear it because it makes me feel sad. I just don't want it. I just don't want that on my body. I can appreciate it, but I don't know.
So just this entire collection just makes you sad at this point?
No, that one. That's the only one that made me feel sad. The other ones are really dope. That one, it's like I just don't want like the death date on my...
But you can't wear them.
Yeah, I can wear them, Ian. Just not this one because I stained it. Next up, boys. This one's a real dope piece. This one I like because it's not so negative. It says, I F in, I'm trying not to bleep this video, I F in, it said hate and then humans, which I think once again, it's a little like, it's a little weird for me, but it says love after that. I'm like, okay, that's kind of dope. Then I stained it with God knows what. I don't know if I was playing in sand in winter. I don't know where I would have found sand, but it looks like either sand or shit. Either one is honestly kind of likely. I would have found both of those somewhere.
Kind of looks like it was something that like dripped off your chin when you were eating.
Oh yeah, you're right actually.
So it probably is shit then.
Okay, you're correct, but don't do that to me on my own video. We have ha ha ha.
You feed it to your dog.
It's like Joker font. The back of it right here, he's got some artists that did artwork for him. I don't know what the name is. I'm pretty sure that's right info, but that's a super dope back. I don't know what it is.
Yeah,
it's a monster, bro.
I don't know either, man.
Yeah, it's just like you always see backs, like you always see graphics on backs of things, and usually it's wording, which I'm not totally into because it's so overdone. But something like that you really don't see often, and I just thought it was really, really sick. So that's all my clothing that I haven't lost or given away. Now we have 2 more pieces we'll show you guys. I'm sure if you saw the last video, I'm sure you're aware of them. Ian, let's take them into my lair and show them the real guns. You know what I mean? The real goods, the big guns. Goddamn.
Oh.
Oh god. Boys, my apologies. My girlfriend thought it'd be funny.
They're still in here.
Yeah.
Like that was an April Fool's prank.
Yeah, my girlfriend for April Fool's literally blew up 100 condoms and put them all over my room, which I think is like, it's not even an April Fool's joke, it's an April Fool's prank. And I don't want to clean it up, so they're still in here. But Ian, show my prized possessions over here. These ones, hopefully there's not too much glare. These are real, authentic posters from his concerts that he signed. So these are all authentic, and I bought them off eBay. They were like 500, a little bit more a piece Canadian, and I'm trying to get 2 more so I can like make a cool little wall of it. It's just it's a little expensive. Okay, stepping on balloons, I swear to God, that's on me.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is really dope, man. It's just this one I think is so sick. You got Ski Mask, you know, got Ski Mask here, Rob Banks. Oh wait, I guess Ski Mask wasn't on this one. But yeah, I want 2 more so I can center them up there. But those are my prized possessions. As you guys may or may not know, I've collected autographs my whole life, from hockey autographs to like other things. So that was a little ode to what I used to collect. Also looking dope in the Supreme room. And we got an autograph down there too. I think that's autographed by Raekwon. Anyway, boys, that's my collection video, minus a few pieces that I've lost in luggage and given away. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'd love to do some more edits on this video, make it a little bit better, but hopefully you guys just dig like a chilling video. This is literally like, this is like regular me, right? Without me being like super like crazy and yelling.
This is like the closest to normal I've seen you in a while.
Well, at least on video, yeah, I'm just chilling. I usually just chill in person, and then camera comes on, you gotta feel like you gotta yell and stuff like that. Anyway, guys, appreciate you for watching. Hopefully we got this to 10 minutes. If not, damn it. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. Merkin the Game, the greatest of all time. I'm gonna go to the doctor and try to edit this video there.
Yeah, maybe you'll find your jacket on the way.
Yeah, probably not. I think it's stolen or something. I don't even know where I was that night. It's just gone. Anyway, peace, boys.